Right then guys, welcome back to the channel. Big Tasty, thank you for watching, appreciate it as always. And I've been down to Iceland to try out you may have seen it, the £3 for £5 new. I've got a selection of 3 things. I'm going to try them all today. I'm particularly interested in these, which have been kicking about, a few reviews I've seen already, of the pizza chicken wedges. 10 in the bag, 10 minutes in the air fryer for them. These classic, always nice, give these a go. Camembert cheesy bites. See if they taste any good. 9 minutes air fryer. And the sweet chili sticky prawns. These are all saying new, so I thought I'd give them a go. These again, I'm assuming 10 minutes-ish, somewhere around about that mark. 7. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to give them a go. I'm going to take 3 or 4 each. I'll pop it into a plate. We'll show you, we'll give it a review and see if they're worth buying. Okay, so cut to me when it's done. Everybody, so here we are. These are the prawns. We're going to start off with these. I put them in the air fryer for 7 minutes, is exactly what it says. They seem fairly cooked-ish. These are sweet chili. So obviously no sauce comes with them. How you see them is how they are. Could potentially be a slight bit dry, but let's try. So you get about 10 prawns, which is about £1.50-ish, just over what it is. It's not too bad. Slightly sticky, sweet taste. Does taste like sweet chili. It does taste like a sweet chili battered prawn. Is it good? Yeah. They are good. They are good. It says what it says on the package. Very good. 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 for them. Right. I put a few too many on the plate on here. But, so this is the Camembert bite. So, let's just crack one of these. Let's have a look what we're looking at. That's what we're looking at. These don't taste amazing. They're okay, but I am aware that Camembert bites can be expensive if you get them from the shop somewhere else, not in an Iceland deal. So, you know what I'm saying, it works out about £1.60 something, 65p. Is it that bad? Probably not. Are they the tastiest things? No. Now these pizza chicken bites, I have no idea what the pizza bit means on it, but it kind of just looks like a sort of nacho crumbed bit of chicken. Oh, okay, so that makes sense now. Stupid me. They're in the shape of a little pizza. That's the pizza side of it. So in actual fact, that is just a nacho sort of crumb chicken. Is it tasty? Yeah, it is. Unusual type of crumb, but yeah, good. I don't know what else to say about it. For the price, you get quite a lot of these. So you get probably, I think there's about 12 in there. So 12 of those, and they're actually fairly chunky for £1.65. Very good value. I'm going to give these 8 out of 10. Camembert 5, just middle of the range, nothing special. Prawns 8 out of 10. Very good, yeah. So all very, very good. Let me know if you've tried them. And yeah, on to the next.